Douglas Ngonzora, the MDCT president, has expressed deep concern over the situation in Mozambique, calling it very worrisome. This comes after the country's recent post-election protests, which turned violent, resulting in at least 11 deaths and dozens of injuries. The protests erupted following the announcement of Daniel Chapo and the ruling party Frelimo's victory in the October 9 general elections. Ngonzora's statement emphasizes the need for leaders to prioritize the well-being of the Mozambican people, taking President Daniel Chapo and Venancio Mondlane, an independent candidate supported by the leading opposition party. Mondlane had claimed victory, sparking tensions. The situation in Mozambique remains volatile, with reports of police brutality, including the use of live ammunition and tear gas against protesters. Human Rights Watch has condemned the excessive use of force, calling for investigations and accountability. In light of these developments, Ngonzora's plea for a solution that benefits the Mozambican people is timely and crucial. The international community, including regional organizations, must pressure the government to respect human rights and ensure peaceful resolution.